Here is a badly frozen Weatherking air conditioner. This one was made in 2017. I suspect the unit is low on refrigerant because a lot of times when this happens, we're filming on two cameras here. So the one on the right, is my Kodak Pix Pro. So on the Pix Pro, we're going to show you guys the refrigerant line here. As you can see, it's really badly frozen. And here we're looking at the compressor, and you can see the whole compressor has gotten frozen up. Look at that, that entire compressor has gotten frozen up. Which kind of sucks, because with good units like these, you know, it's kind of upsetting to see that. Kind of gets you a sound of the compressor, so you can hear what it sounds like when it's frozen up like this. Sounds really weird, doesn't it? Sounds super weird. There's some model information filming on the iPhone. Got the model information on video 1, which will be on the iPhone. Just take a minute to listen to the sound of the compressor, how weird it sounds. Get you on video 2 here, show you the information. So you guys can pause the video if you want, take a look at that. Yeah, it sounds super weird. Show you around the other side here. Yep, looks like she's low on charge. Show you on video 2. Model information on the other unit. See if we can show you that. Yep, there we go. We're gonna end video 2. Now we'll just stay on video 1. So I do not have my temperature thermometer on me at this time, so I couldn't get to the condenser air temperature, but I'm gonna guess it's room temperature. So we're gonna go ahead and feel that. Yep, completely frozen. We can let you hear the compressor from close up. Yep, it's badly frozen up. Probably leaked refrigerant. Yep, there it is. So now we're going to do another video with no talking, just so you guys can get an idea of what this sounds like.